Hello traders! In this video I would like to show you what to expect with Alpha Fibonacci Trading System in our 3 months live group course. Alpha Fibonacci Trading System is a complete trading system for day and position trading across all instruments. It includes lifetime license software package with proprietary strategies, multi-market scanner with trade recognition tool for NinjaTrader 8. This is lifetime license with 3 months of live classes, video library, and live guided trading. So if you scroll below on this page, you will find a lot more details. You will also find quotes from other students and videos from our trading room that show you Alpha Fibonacci proprietary trade tool identifies exact entry stop and potential targets precise that can also be set up with trade alert options to email and phone. And this is what multi-market scanner would look like. It will give you alerts for the instrument you will insert. Scanner is lifetime license with day trading templates that can also be adjusted for any instruments and long-term markets with alerts for phones and emails. Software developer Pat is a dear friend. He's a graduate of Fibonacci Trading Institute from 8 years ago. If you ever need any help, Pat will always meet with you, will always hold your hand, and will always help you with any question you may have. This software package comes with lifetime licenses across all and 3 months of live group mentoring and guided trading, Monday through Thursday. It's never a requirement to attend classes. You can view video library available 24/7 and read modules. Psychology lessons are always part of Alpha Fibonacci system. For a limited time and very few spots left, we're offering the biggest discount of $2,000 ever. And if you will decide to join us, I would highly encourage you to read and view what students do all over the world with Alpha Fibonacci system, doubling and tripling their accounts on futures, stocks, and forex. Podcasts are posted, statements on options on Forex posted, invitations to weddings posted. This is what students do in 57 countries and on Wall Street. If they can do it, so can you. And when you will decide to join us and you will log into member area, this is what it would look like. We will help you with technical issues. We give you instructions on how to log in, how to access Alpha Club, trading room, and when you log into the video library with modules, this is what you will see. You will receive multiple various options to view videos. Take it step by step. Module 1, NinjaTrader Fibonacci settings. And if you decide to trade on Thinkorswim, settings are available on TradeStation, settings are available. And if you will progress to your second module and your third and fourth, entry and position crucial rules, this is what you will find in this section. Module 6a, Module 6b, going over crucial trade entries that you can utilize on any instrument. And when you log in into this section, you will see multiple videos. It's never a requirement to watch on videos. You learn counter trends, overextended market trades, trend and counter trend trades, how to trade historical high, hourly levels, trade preparation, and multiple strategy examples on multiple instruments. And as it's very, very important, you will learn when not to trade, when not to lose money with very crucial pure gold trade rules. You will learn how to buy low versus high and counter trend sells. Trade executions is a must. And if you would like to trade gold, of course you can. And if you would like to trade Apple, Amazon, Dow, bonds, NQ, oil, Apple, Euro, pound, Facebook, nothing is a problem. It's absolutely up to you. Choice is yours. Any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. If you come to the top of the page, simply click on Contact Us section, pick up the phone and call me with any questions. I'll send the email which comes to my team and will be forwarded to me, info@fibinstitute.com. We are available 24/7, 7 days a week. Alpha Fibonacci traders in 57 countries and on Wall Street. Thank you, traders. Look forward working with you.